Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to be unboxing the Pixel 6. This is the first fully Google designed phone with the introduction of their new Tensor chip. Inside the box, we've got the phone, a C to C cable, a C to A USB adapter, and your typical paperwork. Like all other new phones, there's no wall adapter included in the box. It's nice to see that the typical plastics have been removed and replaced with more easily recycled cardboard or paper. The Pixel 6 is water and dust resistant with a rating of IP68. It has a flat front screen, and the back of the Pixel is instantly recognizable with a two-tone glass design along with a new polarizing camera bump that goes edge to edge. The camera is made up of a 50 megapixel wide angle main camera along with a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. And if selfies are more your thing, then it's got an 8 megapixel front camera. There is now an optical fingerprint scanner under the screen, and the 90 hertz refresh rate screen is nice to have and makes scrolling through websites and apps much smoother. Overall, the Pixel 6 is a great option with a lot of firsts for Google that compete well within the mid-range smartphone market, but at a more competitive price point. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.